Guess how much I made replacing light switches. The first switch was bathroom light switch. I unscrewed the screws and then removed the wires. For this one, I didn't bother turning off the circuit breaker. I carefully connected the wires to new light switch. Then fitted the switch with screws. I turned the circuit breaker for loft because the next switch was in the loft. I disconnected the wires and connected them with new light switch. Then fitted it with screws. I charged £140 for 2 light switches. If you like my videos, follow for more content.